Good morning. Let's see. I have no idea what I'm going to make. I just got some fresh beans from Woodstock Coffee Company. This is a dark roast bean. And by the way, if you hear a noise in the background, I'm heating up water for oatmeal probably. But yeah, so I'm just going to grind the beans, extract, see if I need to do any kind of dialing in. I shouldn't have to, since my settings are pretty specific to this bean, and I've been using this bean for the last probably year or so, so should be good to go. I'm gonna measure out 16 grams as I always do. $10, $11, $12, $15, $16, $17, and $16. Go ahead and grind it up. Oh yeah, I did a cleaning cycle on this thing, so everything's like reset. I mean, the grind settings aren't reset, just the single double thing. But I do the cleaning cycle about once every 3 or 4 months. I don't know if that's the recommended interval, but the light never even turned on and I still did it. Alright. Yeah, you should do a half tamp with the funnel on there just to make sure no grounds go everywhere, you know, keep everything clean. Then I do a full tamp right there. Tamp feels perfect. It feels like a really fresh bean. Feels like a Tempur-Pedic mattress. That's how you want that to feel. And then, yeah, this is good. Full double, but I'm gonna stop it early. I knew I should have drank water before I started recording. My voice is a little bit muffled right now. And the pressure is looking on the higher side, but the flow is good. I think that's a half decent shot right there. So we're on the higher side, but it's acceptable. I can handle, hello? I can handle slightly over-extracted espresso. It's no problem to me. And they're milk drinks anyway. I mean, like, yeah, sometimes you can tell if it's super over-extracted and it gets super bitter, but I'd rather it be more bitter than more sour. If I really wanted to, I could do the grind setting 11, make it a little bit more coarse, but I think we're fine. So I'm probably going to do more of a little, like a semi-auto froth. My water sounds like it's about to get up the temperature, so I may get that ready. Just going to introduce some air, get the vortex going. Simple things. After I'm happy with the texture, looking at the reflections, looking at the little micro bubbles, it's getting a little bit warm. If I'm going to do semi-auto, I plunge it, put it more towards the middle, and then just let it go. Then I can go off and do whatever the heck I want to do. In this case, your average work week breakfast. Some maple brown sugar Quaker. Let's see, I'll go ahead and slow down the boil. Get this finished. It's looking beautiful. Damp the cloth. Clean. Oops, my bad. Purge. I also cleaned the counter, so I guess things are a little bit more slippery now. Cleaned absolutely everything. And there goes the water. Oh, come on. All right, it's fine. All right, give me a second. This audio is going to be so fun to edit. There we go, a decent latte. Hold on, let me get it centered and everything. Get that thumbnail shot. And in this case, I'll do a taste as well. It tastes absolutely perfect. Tastes great. Love it. All right, that's the video. Thank you all for watching as always. Hope you all got a little bit of insight of how I dial in a new bean, even though there's really not much dial in, but if I wanted to, I could turn the dial a bit more coarse to maybe under extract it a little bit more. But as far as, even though it was over extracted just a little bit, my taste buds, just my preference, I'm perfectly fine with it. I'm not too worried about that. Having one dial too fine and over extracting a little bit like that, it's not that big of a deal to me. And again, I'd rather over than under extract. Sour tasting espresso sucks, but over extraction, you rather have that than sour. Trust me. All right. Thanks for watching as always, and more soon.